Hi, my name's Todd, and this is my Doyad. Well, it is currently 55 degrees foolish. That makes it, roughly 13 degrees civilized. And I guess today is going to be more of just an update than anything. But the household's had some pretty impressive level setbacks this last week. As you can see, my mowing leaves a little bit to be desired because, turns out my lawnmower has a bent crank, and Honda no longer makes that engine, so there is no direct replacement. I can buy a new crank, but it's a couple $100, and apparently they made 5 different versions of an end shaft on that. So, I'm gonna screw around with that. And that's not something I really want to do, is tear that engine down and put a new crank in it. So, that's gonna cost. Upstairs had electrical failures, so we got an electrician that's been showing up a couple times during this last week to pull old wiring and pull new wiring and change out outlets and fixtures, and so that's been kind of drill a hole in the bottom of the bank account and watch it drain. And we had to put a cat down. Yeah, that was no fun. But as much as that stings, it as well was not cheap. So the pack up and ship the power steering pump off to have it rebuilt has been pushed down the road till we can rebuild the bank account a little bit. Everything gets pushed down for real life, I guess, huh? On the bright side, however, it seems the channel passed a real milestone with the last video. I had my first person call me a moron and an asshole and doing everything half-assed and rage quit. So I guess that's something. I don't know, dude. It ain't your car. But anyways, I digress. Hopefully we'll pull through this little difficult spot and get back to the project here right away. I really need to, I'm feeling the pressure to get this moving. Unfortunately, it's, of course, once again, a day off, and it rains. It's supposed to rain all week coming up. I'm not excited for that. What can you do? We'll weather the weather no matter the weather, because the weather's what you're gonna get. Alright, so I don't know, we'll just keep moving forward. That's all we got, right? I'd like to thank you guys for sticking with me. If you get an opportunity, give us a thumbs up, please. It definitely does help move the channel around. It twists the algorithm that Google has in place in YouTube and gets the channel out to be seen by more people. Even though I did lose that 1 subscriber, I'm hoping we can grow past that. And I know a lot of you people that watch are not subscribed. Please do. It definitely helps. Leave a comment if you would. I enjoy reading them, and I feel like I'm getting something from the interaction. Yeah, like I said, thanks for sticking with me. We'll catch you next time. This has been Empty Pockets Production.